Okay, welcome to HogNut TV. Today we're at my creek. You probably can't see it because it's kind of dark, but I'm using my iPhone because I don't have a camera. And today we're catching mudcat or bullhead. These are found pretty much all over the creeks of Oklahoma, and they're not too bad. This one isn't. Really freaking slimy though.
That's disgusting.
It's pretty nasty. My girlfriend's with me, and I've been down here for like, I would say 10 minutes. Oh,
Ew.
oh
Ew.
yeah, please don't fin me. Oh, I'm sorry, phone. No. Alrighty, so I just caught my first fish, and we're using these bad boys. Sausage links. Usually eat them in your average everyday breakfast, but we're using them for catfish bait now. And we're gonna make a run to the house real quick and pick my girlfriend up a fishing pole so she can catch fish. We have fiancé set up over there, so you can't see anything. There's the pole. There's an up close look at the pole because it's so dark outside. But we just got our second fish. Now I have her set up, almost out of bait. Alrighty, let me find the bait. Where did it go? Bro, I bet you my dog just took off with that.
Right.
Where? Oh my god, I was storming at my dog like I was fixing kill a bit. I was gonna kill my dog. Taking my catfish bait. Alright. We're gonna have girlfriend catch a catfish. Or fiance. Never mind. I don't know what. It's weird, okay? It's like your boyfriend and girlfriend, then you get engaged. I'm just not used to it. Okay. There you go. So the beaver is right in front of us. I don't know if this is a bad thing or a good thing. I'm trying to fish and a fucking beaver will not leave. Alright, so beaver just scared the shit out of me.
Yeah.
And her. Oh my god.
That scared me. I thought that was a big old fish. It looked huge.
I thought I saw something swimming in the water.
I really did.
Thought it was a snake. I went to go talk about it, and the beaver just smacked its tail, and I swear to God I almost shit myself.
I screamed a little bit.
She did scream a little bit.
Gross.
I'm gonna choke my hook. Oh, look at that sexy sausage right there.
Sexy sausage. You're retarded.
I don't want to take base at all.
Please don't. I'm gonna get rabies. It's gonna eat me. I'm gonna get rabies.
Can I see? Oh fuck. Oh fuck, it's a big one. Alright. Maybe not as big, but watch this stuff.
Ew!
Watch this stuff.
Okay, sorry. Look, and I was recording. There you go.
Heck yeah. Look at that fish. Okay, I have a tendency to catch fish while not recording, so my girlfriend's gonna have to send me the footage.
Okay.
Fiance. I did it again. But wow. Look at the color of these bullhead, man. We just call them a mudcat in Oklahoma, but you know, pretty much the same thing. Oh yeah, look at all that blood. It's windy as shit outside. Okay, last night, I'm gonna sit right here on my ass. Ugh. Last night we went fishing, caught some catfish, and I forgot to do something along the way. And that is, oh shit, fucked up on that one. That right there is what we forgot to do last night. And I wanted to talk to y'all about my YouTube channel, because I had an old one about skateboarding and shit. Here comes all my dogs to fuck up my video. Dogs like it when I talk to myself. That's no bestiality there. But yeah, let's put in a fair HogNut. I'm gonna try to get some videos out there about every week. I know it's not a lot, but it's better than every day kind of thing. Because when you usually do videos every day, I notice that most people don't have time to do shit. So maybe 2 of them will come up once a week, and maybe just 1, maybe 3 or 4. I really don't know. All I know is I'm gonna have a video up every week with this shit in my lip. I wanted to come on here and say thank you guys for watching the video, since I didn't say that in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Click subscribe and like, do whatever you want to do, honestly. And yeah, I'll catch you next time with a HogNut in.